In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit product descriptions in WooCommerce. To get started, open your WordPress website and head to the dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click Products to open your full product list. Find the product you want to update. Using the search box or filters can make this faster. Then click its title or the edit link. This takes you to the product edit screen where all your content and settings live. Scroll to the main product description editor. This is the large text area that appears on the product page and tells shoppers what they need to know. Click inside the editor to start typing or refining the text you already have. Use the formatting toolbar to add headings for clarity, make important details stand out, or create simple lists for specifications. To add a link, highlight the text, click the link icon, paste the URL, and apply. If you want to include images or other media, click Add Media. Choose an existing file from your library or upload a new one and insert it directly into the description. Visuals like size charts, detail close-ups, or short clips can make your product more compelling. Keep your writing clear and customer-focused. Mention key features, materials, dimensions, care instructions, and what's included in the box. Aim for short paragraphs and scannable sections so it's easy to read on mobile devices. If you're pasting from another document, consider pasting as plain text to avoid unexpected formatting, then reapply styling using the editor controls. You may also see a smaller short description box elsewhere on the page. That's typically the brief summary that shows near the product title and price in many themes. For this walkthrough, focus on the larger main description area you're editing now. As you work, WordPress may auto-save drafts, but your storefront won't show changes until you save them. When you're satisfied, click Update at the top right to publish your edits. If this product is brand new, the button may say Publish the first time. After that, it will read Update. Once updated, view your changes on your website. Use the View Product link near the product title or open your store in a new tab and navigate to the product page. Read it like a customer, check that links work, and confirm images display at the right size. If something needs tweaking, return to the editor, make the adjustment, and click Update again. And that's all it takes. Open your WordPress site, click Products, select your item, edit the description with text, links, or media, update, and review. With a few thoughtful edits, your WooCommerce product pages will be clearer, more informative, and more persuasive.